Hi, I'm attorney Victor Peña with Victor Peña Law, and I run a specialty firm based out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I handle cases nationwide. Specifically, I help people with long-term disability buyouts against every major insurance company. I get common questions from all of my clients and potential clients, and today I want to talk about the top 5 things that you need to know about long-term disability buyouts with the Hartford. Number 1 on the list of things that you need to know about buyouts with the Hartford is that you have to be on claim long enough in order to qualify for a disability buyout. So one of the reasons this is important is because there's a lot of limitations that come into play in your policy, including the definition of disability, which commonly changes either at the 12-month mark, 24-month mark, 36-month mark, sometimes the 60-month mark. Number 2 on the list of top 5 things to know is that you can't have a terminal illness and qualify for a long-term disability buyout. One of the reasons this is important is because Hartford will not be willing to engage in settlement discussions if they feel that you may not make it to age 65 or whenever your policy expires. So it's very important that if you do engage in buyout discussions, that you do this without any terminal illness diagnoses. Number 3 on the list is that you have to be willing to give up 30 to 40% of your benefits. So it's a pretty large amount considering all of your future benefits, especially if you are relying on this as your primary source of income. Number 4 on the list is that you have to know what you're giving up. So apart from the 30 to 40% you may be giving up in your future benefits, you have to know any other benefits that you may be eligible for or receiving. So if you received your disability plan as part of a benefits package from your employer, you may have life insurance, health insurance. Sometimes your employer also contributes to an employer-sponsored retirement plan. If you do a buyout and you have these benefits, it's possible that you may lose them. Number 5 on the list is that you have to make sure that your claim is ready. So even if you've been on claim for 10 years, for example, and you've already gotten beyond any change in definition and any limitations in your policy, it's still possible that your claim may not be ready for a buyout. If you have had any large gaps in treatment with your doctor, or maybe it's been several years since Hartford has done a review on your claim, you need to make sure that your claim is ready. This is what we do here. I specialize in helping people prepare their claims, make sure that they're ready for a buyout before we engage Hartford or any other major insurance company. If you have received a buyout offer from the Hartford or you're interested in having your claim reviewed and prepared for a possible buyout, then feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. You can text us on our website if you prefer to text, or you can call us at 954-828-0592.